Okay, today I'm going to show you how to tell if a coordinate or an xy value is a solution to a system of equations. A system of equations, in this case two linear equations, we're trying to decide, is this a solution? This is helpful once we start solving them to go back and check our answers to see if it works. Okay, so in this case I'm asking, is the coordinate 2, 3 a solution to this system? Okay, so what I'm trying to find is that true, x equals 2 and y equals 3 on both these equations? So I need to substitute them in. So where I see x's, I'm going to put 2, and where I see y's, I'm going to substitute 3. So the first equation, 2 times 3 minus 8 times 2, does that equal negative 10? Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 16, does that equal negative 10? Yes, it does. 6 minus 16 is negative 10, and that is negative 10. Okay, so that satisfies the first equation. Now I got to check to see if it's true for the second one. So 3 times y is 3 plus 21, does that equal 6 times 2? Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 21, does that equal 12? Well, I can already see that does not. 30 does not equal 12. So no. The answer to this is no. Okay? No, that's not a solution to that system. Let's try another one. Okay, is negative 3, negative 6 a solution to that system? Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. Negative 4 times x is negative 3, okay, because x is the first value in the coordinate, plus negative 6, does that equal 6? Okay, so this is negative 4 times negative 3, which is a positive 12. Negative times a negative is a positive, plus negative 6. Does that equal 6? Yes, 12 plus negative 6 is 6. 6 is equal to 6, so that is a true equation. That point satisfies that equation. Okay, let's try this again here. Let's try the other one. Make sure both of them work. Okay, so negative 5 times negative 3. Okay, again, I substitute negative 3 for x, minus, and this is kind of where it's tricky. If I put it in parentheses, it might make a little more sense. Minus negative 6 equals 21. Okay, negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Okay, so now we have 15 minus negative 6. Now, we hopefully remember that if I'm subtracting a negative, it's the same as adding a positive, so that's actually 15 plus 6, which is equal to 21, and 21 is equal to 21. So this point, negative 3, negative 6, is true on both these lines. Okay, it satisfies both these equations, so yes, that is a solution. And that's how you check to see if you have the right solution. Let's just do one more. Okay, hopefully this is starting to make sense. Okay, I'm going to plug in 0, 0. Does these lines go through 0, 0? So 3 times 0 minus 5 times 0 equal 8 times 0. And these are some hard to write on these things. These zeros are not looking good. 0 minus 0 is definitely 0. Okay, so yes. Okay, now over here, 4 times 0 minus 2 times 0 plus 1, does that equal 0 minus 1? Okay, and so now I have 4 times 0, which is 0, minus 0, plus 1. Does that equal 0 minus 1? So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Does 1 equal negative 1? No. Those are not the same number, so this is no. That is not a solution to that system. Okay, it is not true. Okay? All right, all done.